I'm James Spann. This is the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Tuesday, the 20th day of April. A little light rain falling over East Alabama this morning, but the next major rain event will be here about the time the weekend arrives. Let's look at some of the Skycam shots around the network this morning. First off, coming from Birmingham, from the top of the Daniel Building, looking back toward Red Mountain, looking back to the south. The sky cloudy this morning. Not enough rain to measure for a lot of places, although I notice in the rain bucket here at my place in North Shelby County, the overnight rainfall total was 0.08 of an inch. Still not really enough to settle the pollen. Up in the Tennessee Valley, that's the Decatur Skycam overlooking the Tennessee River. And in northwest Alabama, that's a look at the Fayette County Courthouse, where the sky is still cloudy. Got a shortwave passing through the deep south this morning, producing the light rain on the eastern side of the state. The next major system will be taking shape way out west. There's the radar at 5:05. You can see the bulk of the rain is along and east of I-65. And it's raining in places like Anniston and Center and Heflin and Roanoke, but that rain will be out of the state a little later this morning. Relatively calm around the nation. We've got a few advisories out west for the new system coming in. We'll check the convective outlooks. This is day 3, which is Thursday. There is a slight risk of severe weather. That's the standard SPC risk over parts of West Texas, West Oklahoma, and southwestern Kansas. And then on day 4, which is Friday, and day 5, which is Saturday, we have standard risks defined for areas just west of the state. And again, we'll watch that system as it comes in. The dynamics are looking pretty good. The thermodynamics for Alabama are marginal. And again, looks like the parameters are not overwhelming for severe weather. But then again, this is late April, so you have to watch these things. Now, this QPF graphic doesn't make a whole lot of sense to us. This is valid through Saturday evening at 7 o'clock, and I would suggest this is dead wrong for us. It shows hardly anything. We're thinking we'll see over 1 inch of rain on Saturday, so we'll just agree to disagree with the guys at HPC on this. We'll look at modeling. This is the OZGFS at 1 o'clock today at 500 millibars. This is about 18 to 20,000 feet up. Vortmax rotating through here. Big trough coming into the west coast. And down below that, we think the bulk of the rain by noon should be over in Georgia. And the sky here becomes partly sunny today with a high in the 70s. Tomorrow should be a nice day as we are in between waves. Sunny and comfortable with mid-70s likely. Thursday, we should warm up. The high close to 80 with a good deal of sunshine. And Friday, here comes our trough. Still well to the west, and we've got ridging here, so we think Friday will be warm and dry. We'll call it partly sunny with low 80s Friday afternoon. And then Saturday, starting off the weekend, here comes the rain. Yeah, we know this is race weekend at Talladega, and you can see a large mass of rain moving in here, and it could rain a pretty good chunk of the day, and we do figure that rainfall amounts of at least 1 inch are likely. Some spots could see more than that. It looks like the rain will begin fairly early in the day, and that should keep the instability values low. And again, for the moment, it doesn't look like it will be a major severe weather problem. But again, for the race fans coming into Talladega, getting in that race on Saturday, the, Aaron's 399 will be problematic. But the good news on Sunday, looks like the rain will be ending Sunday morning. The sky becomes partly sunny Sunday afternoon. We go up in the low 80s, maybe even mid-80s with the sun breaking out. We'll peek at the severe weather parameters quickly. There's a look at Saturday at 7 p.m., and clearly the better instability values are still off to the west. That's where SPC has that severe weather risk defined. And then Sunday morning at 7 a.m., there is some degree of instability here, but not overwhelming. And again, we'll just watch that and fine-tune it as the event gets closer. Monday, we've got an upper low over us and a surface low north of us, and some suggestion moisture could try and wrap back in here on Monday. For the moment, we have it dry. And then Tuesday, you can see that broad upper trough over the east. And down below that, the deeper moisture east of here. But again, looks like there could be some clouds around at least on Tuesday. Into the forecast on the 5th of May, broad troughing over the east again. And that looks like there could be a few showers around. But the good news, nothing extremely excessive in terms of severe weather possibilities for the next 15 days. That's good, but we all know that could change. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so today. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.